Hello everybody. I have two industrial system generals I'm going to be tearing down. We're going to start with the older 9600. I don't know why they went to 9200 to be the higher end model, but we're going to start with this one. These are system general programmers. They're not too common of a programmer. The adapters are very hard to get a hold of. I bought these for teardown content a while back. I did the unboxing and I will link it in the description. So these are USB and RS-232. In fact, the seal's already broke, but let's start figuring out how to tear this thing down. I'm just going to start with this screw. So, a little screw. A little screw. Wonder if it's gonna. That was a bit loud. How to bolt this top down, make it more solid. Hey, I wonder what's in these. How they're constructed compared to the other stuff. I can tell you these little tiny fans are super loud, but these work. The chips I was using on them worked just fine, didn't have no failures, so. But the software's kind of clunky. Not a fan of it. Got cotty hair all over here. Let me go get a couple stickers and get this hair off. Okay. Yeah, hillbilly lint roller. Shipping labels. Alright, not much in here. Sticky. And that's probably a horrible sound to you. I'm gonna say this is gonna be interesting taking this apart. We'll go as far as I want to. These are pretty expensive if you have to buy them new. See. Oop, bottom comes off. Okay. Ooh, look at that. You gotta see that. That's a stack of boards. That's way more than the Zeltec. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna have to print some labels and label this stuff. So, take a picture for the web. Wow. I could probably, I'm gonna need a smaller screwdriver. And I'll do one card. I didn't have to take the back off, so I'm not gonna take that back off. Because I don't think that board's gonna come out that easy. Okay, so you're gonna have to pull each one of them. I need a smaller screwdriver, I think. Yeah, this won't work. Just pull one board out at a time. So this first board, looks like the power supply is up against that. Okay, that's one board. Green product, so I don't know if somebody's just throwing a whole bunch of parts at this. But that would be the first board. We'll put that back in, pull the second board out. It's going to be a horrible teardown. I'm just going to take all the screws out. Losing my magnetic tip here. But yeah, this is going to be a kind of a funky teardown. I'm not going to tear it all the way down. Nope. There we go. That looks like a similar board. I think these are going to be very, very similar. This is what's inside one of these. I was curious. Pull this one out. And that's a 2. Looks like the Altera chip's in a different position. It looks like that board inside there's just the back plane. I know how to do this to keep them in order. Oh, that was tight. So this is, I'll take pictures of all these boards and throw them up on the web. But this one looks like it's got a board-to-board interconnect. I'm not going to bother taking it apart. Wow, these are a pain in the butt. Okay, I'm gonna have to start from this. Skip that board for now. Let's try this one. See if I can get some room. Okay, that's a 3. I'm gonna skip one. There we go. The back plane's got what boards they're called, so that'll be nice. So I can label them. That'd be like a CPU RAM board. Yeah, this is about as far as I'm going to take it. Let's just pull the cards out. I really don't need these, but only for slot CPD board R. CPD board R. And this would be CPDL. I think that's what it says there, CPDL. Yeah, these are interesting programmers, but I just, the software's funky and slow. It's not well done at all. It takes forever to boot, forever to connect. They're just not user-friendly programmers. But when you do get to programming with them, they do program just fine. So that would be the last board. Yeah, 10 boards total, I think. Yeah, 10 boards total. I'll zoom in so you can see that there. Power supply board. Looks like kind of a common power supply. Can't tell the name on it. But everybody, that is a System General T9600. I'll post the blog in the description. And again, if you like this content, let me know so I can continue it. Otherwise, I will keep continuing it. If you don't want me to continue it, comment. Let me know. So, we will catch you later. Thanks for joining me for this 15 minutes. And no Cotty today, so no cookies. But if you do comment, I will give her double cookies. So, we'll catch y'all later.